So on today's episode, This Is Why I Drink, customer brought in this 2017 Ram Rebel. You know, that's a 1500. It ain't that old, but people are amazing. Let's just have a look around this thing and figure out, see if you could tell me why you think this thing's in here. You know, you might think it's in here because it's got a busted headlight. You know, I can reach my hand right in there and touch the bulb. No, that ain't it. Maybe it's because the grill's busted. Yeah, that could be, you know, maybe want to replace that. No, that ain't it either. No, it's got a smucked up front bumper too. Maybe that's it. No, keep guessing. Maybe they want this big old dent and scratch fixed down the back door and the box side. No, they're gonna live with that. Surely it's got to be in here because it's got a crumpled up back quarter panel and the tail light is totally smashed in there, you know. Need to change your reverse light? No problems, right here. Or maybe replace that bumper. That thing's that's a crookeder smile than Jean Chrétien right there. Even this tail light's broken here. The Ram, this customer took that literally, rammed everything. But no, none of those reasons are why this thing is in here. Customer states, think I need brakes. Let's take a look. This is the left rear, and if I spin this wheel, the hub in the center of the rotor is spinning, but that brake disc is not. Let me just... There's the line of soapstone, and here's everything spinning. Oh my God. Oh yeah, coming into the backside there. So obviously that caliber's locked up tighter than Fort Knox, and that disc, oh my God. Like, how do you not hear this? The only explanation is Ram must have amazing stereos. Oh, I heard nothing. People are amazing, you know. It's like, I was fine yesterday. I don't know. That didn't happen overnight, but we'll get it all fixed up. But that right there, dealing with customers like that, you know, it was fine yesterday. I don't know what went wrong. That is why I drink.